Hey, what's up, Kishu inu coin holder? What's going on this time? The Kishu inu profit just only check out 124.04%. And last 7 days, the price is pumps up, the price is increased now. Definitely, it's a really huge profit. Remember, there's no coin will hit this target. Shiba Inu were very badly falls down. Dogecoin were very bad falls down. But this time, Kishu Inu is completely go to the moon now. So definitely, it's a really great news, my friend, for Kishu Inu coin holder. And first of all, congratulations all of you, my friends. I will give you some very special and good news from CEO, especially, my friend. This message is now, my friend, from all holder now. So kindly holders, I am going to show you, my friend, the latest update, and after that, my friend, I will predicate this coin and I will also share my opinion now. So please holders, you will need, my friends, to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this type of updates and videos. My friend, just in only the last 7 days condition is very good, but you can see, my friend, in last 24 hours plus 4.23%. This is very less profit, my friend. Just in all the if they will get 10% profit, so it's also very good condition. But that's mean, my friend, to the price is decreased. Please try to understand, this is the reality, my friend. This is temporary pump. I already told you in my previous video. So please try to understand. Absolutely, tomorrow, as you can see, my friends, so they will give you negative change occurring. Yes, I will tell you confirm 100%. I will give you guarantee, my friends. Tomorrow they will give you in last 24 hours negative change occurring. So therefore today I will tell you to please, if you are a short time investor, urgently sell it, because the price is dumping down, the price is decreasing. So I hope, my friends, you will understand. But if you are absolutely understand, my friends, so I hope you will do this now. But research personally, I cannot, my friend, make any financial video. Remember to, I just advise you, so please holders, try to understand. All right, so thank you so much, my all SLV Kisho inu coin holder. And please, if you are new my channel, so subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money from crypto, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.